Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul. Today we're going to take a look at the Reese Explore hanging style bike rack. With the ability to fold down the arms and tilt away from the vehicle, it's simple and easy to haul your bikes to your next ride. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at some of its features. To start, this comes with an 1.25" shank. Now, if your vehicle has a 2-inch hitch receiver, it comes with this plastic adapter that will convert it to a 2-inch. Now, you'll just take the stud in the middle of this and we'll line it up and plug it in to this bottom hole in our shank. And now that we have those studs into place, we're ready to install it on our vehicle. We're going to line up our shank with our hitch receiver and we're going to push it until our 2 pinholes line up. Now that the pinholes line up, we're going to take our anti-rattle threaded pin and we're going to thread it in through the driver's side. Now to tighten it up, we're going to use a 3/4 wrench or a 3/4 socket, which is not included with our bike rack. And once it's nice and tight, we're just going to take our cotter pin and put it in on the passenger side. With our anti-rattle pin tightened up in our hitch receiver, it takes away any sway or rattle on our bike rack. Now if you need to get into your cargo area, this has a tilt away feature. We'll just pull on this pin right down here by pulling up on here and pulling it out. And this will allow us to pull down on this mast. And it can go all the way down, giving you all the access that you need into your trunk, hatchback, or tailgate, depending on your vehicle. Now you will need to remove all the bikes to be able to do that. But when you're done, you just pull up the mast again and we'll put our pin back into place. Now with the arms down, it doesn't stick out very much from your vehicle, which makes it easy to haul around town when you don't have any bikes on. Now to raise the arms up, we're going to remove this pin up top, just like we did at the bottom. And then we're going to pull up our arms, just till our 2 holes line up. And then we'll put our pin back in, and we'll secure it into place. Now the base of our bike rack is metal, but on the top of the arms we have these rubber cradles that will hold our bike into place. Now they have a diameter of 1 3/4 inches and it has a Velcro strap on top that will secure the top tube into place. And this is adjustable so you can move it around if you need to. Now this bike rack can hold up to 4 bikes, with each bike weighing up to 30 pounds for a total weight capacity of 120 pounds. Now we always want to load heavier in the front, so let's go ahead and show you how to put a bike on. Now to put a bike on, we're going to take our top tube over the arms and we're going to set it into the 2 cradles. Now once we have it into the 2 cradles, we're going to take our Velcro strap and we're going to pull it through and secure it nice and tight. And we'll do that on both sides. Now with our bike secured, one thing we want to point out is that this does sway a little bit. So if you're worried about your frame hitting your mast and scratching, we recommend taking some padding and putting it over your frame or onto the mast. So that wraps up our review on the Reese Explore hanging style bike rack. This is a very economical bike rack and easy to use, and with a capacity to hold up to 4 bikes, it makes it easy to haul you and your family's bikes to your next ride. If you have any questions about this rack, or if you'd like to take a look at one, you can visit your closest U-Haul store, or you can visit us online at uhaul.com. Thank you.